Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear friend, I will try to present the lesson plan I have chosen. The first thing we need is the intention to learn. Without the intention to learn from us, it will not enter knowledge. The first thing we need is a pen, a book, and referencing book. To shorten the time, let's get started right away. Simple past tense. I need 15 minutes for instructional screens. Step one is ask the leader to prepare the class and praying. This segment, the teacher, what is praying to God Allah, and student pray the success of the learning. Tips 2, the teacher checks the attendance of students. Example, Yunus present, Henry present, and age. Step 3, teachers provide motivation to students. And students listen and understand the motivation conveyed by the teacher. Next, students receive information on topic and learning objectives from the teacher. This trick, the student really listen to the topic and learning objective of the teacher, and the teacher give the information on topics the learning. Next, present is KD and the activity of material that will be delivered to the students. And the students pay attention to the teacher's explanation. Okay, next slide. I need 10 minutes to teaching content. The teacher asked the student some question about narrative text. And what will student do? The student respond teacher's question. Next slide. I need 25 minutes to the teacher practice. Practice. Step 1, teacher explains about simple past tense, and the student listen to the teacher explanation. The meaning is the teacher is explain about the simple past tense and part of simple past tense. And step 2, ask the students to prepare a piece of paper and pencil to channel writing. The teacher asks the student to prepare for the writing, and the student prepare paper and pencil. Step 3, ask the students to make sentence using simple past tense, and the student do chain writing. Next, teacher distributes the question sheet, and the segment student get the question sheet. Continue to ask the student to answer the question in activity 1 and activity 2, and the student answer the question activity 1 or activity 2. This is 25 minutes to the practice. Okay, next slide. I need 15 minutes to the application. As a student difficult in understanding make a sentence by using simple past tense, and the student respond to the teacher question. In this segment, the teacher need the student for the question. Continue to ask the leader to prepare the class and greet the teacher. Okay, this segment I need 25 minutes. Okay, next slide. We now in unit test. Part 1, the student choose one of the answer to complete the sentence below. Example, I sometimes noto my head under the water when I swam in the ocean. This is put or puts. Two, example, you noto regret it if you join the community won't or won't. This is for part 1 unit test. Unit test part 2 is supply with correct form of the verbs in brackets. For example, number 1, Mr. Rahmat asked all students to do experiment this morning. The student supply with correct form of the verbs in brackets. And bracket this is in bracket. Okay. For the last unit test, please specify the verbal sentence and the nominal sentence. For example, Mr. Pramono drank a cup of tea yesterday morning. This example verbal sentence or nominal sentence. Okay, until here, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.